Hi friends, welcome to this new 15 minutes morning yoga routine. So if you're looking for a practice to really energize the body and make sure you wake up and approach the day with the right mood and the right energy, then you are in the right place. We'll start in our hands and knees and we come forward directly into a downward facing dog. Good. So you can pedal your dog here a bit, straightening one leg, then the other, and really take the chance here with your inhales and exhale to find the middle, to find the center between your left and your right, your front and your back, your bottom and your top. And by doing so, also set an intention for the day ahead and for today's practice. So if you've been pedaling your dog, you can stop pedaling, bending your knees, and find stillness in your dog. Inhale here and exhale through the nose. Make sure that your knees are bent, that your arms are pushing the floor away, and that your sitting bones are rising towards the sky. With your next inhale, you'll come forward into plank, and then exhale back into a dog. Inhale plank, exhale dog. Inhale plank, exhale dog. Inhale upward facing dog, and exhale downward facing dog. Good. So now you can take a little step with both feet towards your hands, and from here, inhale, bring your right hand outside of the left ankle, and then switch sides. Exhale. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale right, exhale left. In, X. In, X. In, and X. In, and X. Good. So from here, walk with your hands towards your feet. Good. Bend your knees and really let your entire upper body drop on your thighs. Good. So from here, you can grab opposite elbows, opposite hands on top of your head, and simply let your upper body drop towards your floor. You can bend your knees as much as you need. You can walk, you can rock front and back with your feet, and then release your hands and rise up all the way up, bringing both arms up towards the sky, and then forward fold again. Walk with your hands towards the front of your mat, upward facing dog, and then downward facing dog. Beautiful. So inhale, step the right foot in front of you. Inhale, look forward, and then exhale, strengthening your right leg and fold into pyramid pose. Inhale, look forward, bend your right leg, and exhale, straighten it up and fold. One last time. Inhale, bend it, and exhale, fold. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot in between your hands, look forward. Exhale, straighten up. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, extend the left leg. And then you can step back into downward facing dog. Beautiful. So from here, lift the right leg towards the sky and then step it in between your hands. Good. So from here, bring the right hand inside of the right foot. Bring your left foot at a 45 degrees angle, and then from here, bring the left hand on your sacrum and twist towards the left until you reach your maximum extension. And you can simply stay here, or you can bring your left hand towards the sky. Make sure that your right leg is on 90-degree angles with the floor and that your back leg is straight. And then exhale, release. Bring your left foot on your ball of your foot and open and twist your right arm towards the sky. Exhale, step back into downward dog. Inhale, step the left foot in between your hands. As we did earlier, bring the left hand inside of the left foot. Bring your right foot at a 45-degree angles and the right hand on your sacrum. Fantastic. And from here, twist towards the right. And then finally, bring the right hand towards the sky. Exhale, bring it back and step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And again, inhale, upward facing dog. Stay here, roll your shoulders back a couple of times. And then bring your knees towards the floor and exhale, Balasana. Now inhale, look forward, bring your forearms to the ground. Come forward with your hips, tuck your toes, and then press the floor away with your forearms and with your feet to find dolphin pose. Good. So you can stay with your legs straight or your leg bended, and you can walk a little bit your feet towards your elbows. And while you're here, simply feel both directions. So the push on your forearms and the elevation of your hips through the ball of your feet. A couple of more breaths here. And then exhale, release your knees to the floor. Release the top of your feet. And then again, Balasana. Inhale, come backwards. Bring both hands on your laps. And from here, inhale, both hands towards the sky. Exhale, bow forward. Bring your hands to the ground. And inhale, rise in upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step both feet towards the front of your mat. Exhale, downward forward fold. Inhale, rise up, all the way up with both arms towards the sky. Exhale, fold. Step or jump with both feet back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. And exhale, dog. Inhale, plank. And now move to the right side of the right foot and to the left side of the left foot and open up your side into Vashisthasana. Exhale, bring back the left hand to the floor and switch sides. Then this time you're on the left side and you can open your arm, your right arm, towards the sky. And exhale, release. Downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, dog. And this time you come back into hands and knees. And then into Balasana. Inhale, come back into hands and knees. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step the right foot in between your hands and come up into a lunge. Warrior one. Rotate the left foot to a 45-degree angles and open for warrior two. Exhale, peaceful warrior. Right hand comes up. And then Trikonasana towards the right. Triangle pose. Exhale, left hand to the floor. Find a lunge. And then come back into downward dog. Inhale, step the left foot in between your hands and rise up into warrior one. Exhale, rotate the right foot, 45-degree angles, and open for warrior two. Exhale, peaceful warrior. And then tilt towards the front of the mat until you find Trikonasana, triangle pose. And then exhale, back to a lunge, and then step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale back to downward facing dog, and then step your knees to the mat. Find the tabletop here. You can spin a bit your hips just to make sure you release a bit of compression and tension. You can spin one side and then the other. And then you can simply come into seated. I'll turn towards the camera. You can sit cross-legged, for instance. And from here, we want to work a bit on mobility for the end of the class. So let's start to make some circles in a clockwise direction first. And it's really about exploring our groins, our hips, and in general, our joints, and insist on those areas where we feel more stiffness. The other way around. Nice. It can be slower or faster as usual, as your body is asking today. And then come back to center. Great, guys. You've opened the body, you worked through the practice, and now the only thing which is missing, which could be really beneficial for the day ahead, it's a breathwork practice. You can find the next one here. It's a 7 minutes pranayama Nadi Shodhana practice, which is really, really helpful in order to balance our breath, making sure we jump into the day ahead in the best possible way. So if you want to join, please click the link below, and I'll see you there. Namaste. Ciao.